for this one, for the sake of your classmates or your friends who are not joining with us, so they can watch also this video. They can study online if they want. Okay, now today our topic is all about layers of soil. So as long as we can finish this topic as early as we can, then I will not hold you long. So these are the layers of soil. So we already talked about the different types of soil, and this time we will be talking about the layers, right? The layers of soil. The first one there we have the organic layer, which is the humus, and the second we have the topsoil, the color orange. I think it's orange, right? I know brown, orange, the yellow, and of course the black. So for you to understand more, let's um let's try to information give us information what are the different layers of soil. So now let's talk about this one. Let's look at one at a time. So one by one. So the first here we have soil profile. Okay, we are going to look at what is the meaning of the soil profile. Okay, always turn off your microphone because I don't like to mute you all. Okay, here's the soil profile. What is the meaning? According here, soil profile is defined as the vertical section of the soil from the ground surface downward to where the soil meets the underlying rock. So that is the definition of soil profile. So as we can see, this one is defined as vertical section from the surface downward, from the ground downward to where the soil meets the underlying rock. So that's the definition of soil profile. Now, what is the soil profile here? The soil is the topmost layer of the Earth's crust, mainly composed of organic minerals and rock particles that support life. Say that. So the soil is the topmost layer of the earth. So therefore, the soil is the main factor that people can survive in our daily activities or daily living. For the reason that we are dependent so much on the topmost layer, which is the soil. The soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface going down, right? That's what I have told you a while ago. This kind of soil pointing vertically downward, all right? So like that, going there, not going horizontally, but vertically. These layers, these layers known as what? These layers, I think I have to mute you all because you're noisy now. These layers are known as soil horizons, okay? As what the presentation shows, told you a while ago, says that the layers are known as horizons, right? Horizons. So according here, the soil is arranged in layers or horizons during its formation. So horizon, you have, I will tell you later what are those horizons. And these layers are or horizons are known as the soil profile. Okay, remember this one, kids? Soil profile are also known as horizon. So it is the vertical section of the soil that is exposed by a soil heat. So the layers of soil can easily be identified by the color and size of soil particles. Yes, we can identify them not only um, by the soil color, but also we can identify the sizes of its soil particles. Like for example, the humus or the organic matter is porous and the color is black. Why? It is because of the presence of the dead animals, the carcasses, the decayed plants and the decomposed, like the fungi, we can see also there in that certain soil. I mean, on that certain layer of the soil. So we can identify it by the colors and sizes. Now here, the different types of the different layers of soil. So as you can see, I have here the picture, and I know that you can see this one also in your screen. So we have here the O horizon according to the video. O horizon, what is it? That is called humus or organic layer. So according to the presentation a while ago, the presented by that man, O horizon refers to the humus, and according to that man, it usually 2 inches only, right? The thickness of this soil, sometimes very thin and sometimes very thick. It depends on the organic matter or the organic layer. It depends. Sometimes you cannot see this one. So if you can see that your soil has um, lots of humus or lots of organic layer, that is good for planting or for growing crops. So we have here that layer. This layer is called O horizon, right? So the second layer is we have the A horizon. So what do you mean by A horizon? The A horizon is the top soil. Okay, the top soil. Okay, the top soil here, according, is the next layer from organic layer. Okay, we have the humus first, and we have the topsoil. And according to this video, or according to the presentation that I showed to you this time, look, the small plants, or let's say smaller plants, can not reach, usually cannot reach, the roots cannot reach to topsoil, only in the organic layer. But the big plants can grow until B horizon. So I will tell you later what is that. All right, so here the B horizon, no, I will explain first the topsoil. The topsoil is a very good soil as well. Now, the same with humus or organic. And there are lots of animals that live in this layer. Now, B horizon, this is called subsoil. And this soil is what? Compact layer. Yes, if you will say compact layer, that means you cannot find such organic layer there. So you cannot find. Mostly big trees, the roots can reach there in this layer of soil. So look at that. It's vertical, right? Vertical means like this, and horizontal is like that. So the layer of soil you can identify vertically. What do you see here? The sea horizon, it says the parent rock or parent materials. Parent rock or parent materials are usually the same. So we have O, A, B, C. We have organic matter, topsoil, subsoil, and parent rock. And of course, here I would like to change this one. All right, so this is it. The R horizon, I would like to make it faster a little bit. So the R horizon refers to the bedrock. See, from the word itself, bedrock, that means this is the bed of all the salt, the layers. See that? So from O horizon going down to R horizon, you can see that the layers of soil is totally different, right? From a good soil for planting, going down to the bedrock. All right, so let's discover one by one but the function of this soil. But before that, sorry. Yeah, let's continue this one, kids. O horizon, which is the humus or organic matter. So what's the definition? The O horizon is the upper layer of the topsoil, which is mainly composed of organic materials. So if you will say organic, that means very good soil for planting, such as decaying leaves, carcasses of dead animals, and other decomposed organic matter. Okay, those are the things that you can find that this soil is good because you can say decaying leaves like this one, and also this one, carcass of dead animals, and also this one, other decomposed organic matter. So if you can see this one in your garden, that means your garden has full of humus. You see that? Next, we have this horizon of soil is often black brown or dark brown in color, and this is mainly because of the presence of organic content. So as you can see, look at that. The color is black brown or dark brown because of the presence of decayed leaves, carcass of dead animals, and also other decomposed objects or things. So we have here the second one is the A horizon. A horizon, that means the topsoil. So this layer is rich in organic material and is known as the humus layer. So as you can see, this layer of soil is the second from the organic matter, which is the humus, is what I have told you a while ago. So you have the humus, the second is topsoil, the A horizon. So this soil is rich in organic material and also rich in humus. This layer consists of both organic matter and other decomposed materials. See that if you're going to look at it, almost the same with O horizon. The topsoil is soft and porous. Porous means like that. You can, if you're going to touch it, you can touch like softly to hold enough air and water. So look at that. This is the um the topsoil, which is the A horizon. Almost the same with the O horizon. Next, we have here in this layer the seed germination takes place, and new roots are produced, which grows into new plant. So look at the definition. This layer consists of microorganisms such as earthworms, fungi, bacteria, and etc. So you can see those things or living organisms that live in this soil, topsoil. So as you can see that the plants are growing, the roots are moving downward, rich in nutrients. Now here we have, wait, what is this? Wait. Okay, we have here the subsoil, the B horizon or subsoil. The subsoil is very rich in minerals and that have been leached from both the topsoil and the elevated layers of soil. So it is comparatively harder and compact than topsoil. So this soil, kids, rich in minerals, and the only difference this one is you cannot see humus in this kind of soil. So the reason that it's harder and compact. So if you're going to hold, very unlikely to the topsoil, because if you're going to hold the topsoil, which is the A horizon, if you're going to hold it by your hand, of course, you can feel the porous. It's porously like type of soil, but this soil, the B horizon, which is the subsoil, is compact. it contains less humus, soluble minerals, and organic matter. So it's less only. See that? See that? This is the layer, which the subsoil. Next, we have the sea horizon, or the parent material, or the parent rock, or parent material, or design. If you would say parent rock, it's the same. If you say, teacher, it's only parent material. Well, it's both of you are correct. If you would say parent material, okay. Parent rock, it's okay. Okay, that's the sea horizon. This layer is devoid of any organic matters. If you was a devoid, you cannot find such a humus in this kind of soil. There is the humus, and it is made of broken bedrock. So this one, if you would say broken bedrock, this type of soil, it will be converted into a soil for how many years? For many years. Then this layer is also known as saprolite. Okay, saprolite. The genealogical material present in this zone is cemented. Okay, according to the geologists, according to their studies, is cemented. That is called parent material. So that is parent material there, as you can see. See this kind of soil, if you're going to get some of this soil and put in your garden, oh, this is very, very sad to say that your garden will not grow well, will not grow healthily. The last soil that we're going to talk about is the R horizon. So what is the R horizon? The R horizon is also called bedrock. Bedrock. So it is a compact and cemented layer. So see that? Different types of rocks such as granite, basalt, and limestone are found here. So as you can see, this layer, kids, are mostly stones. That you can see granite, you can see basalt, and you can see limestones also. That means, therefore, this soil and this layer, the last layer of soil, are the hardest of all. Very hard. If you will ask me, teacher, can we grow soil if we get some soil, like some soil, if you're going to get some bedrock? No, you cannot, because these are mostly rocks. Right, so again, we have different types, different layers of soil. We'll tell you so that you will know what are those. We have here, kids, want to show you again for you to memorize the layers of soil. Okay, here, O horizon, humus. A horizon, topsoil. B horizon, subsoil. C horizon, parent rock or parent material. R horizon, bedrock. So those are, or these are the different layers of soil that I want you to remember, because of course I will include this in your test. And that's all for today, and see you next time, and have a good day to all of you. If you have any question, you can ask me. And we don't have homework for today, so good for you. We don't have homework, and that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.